Okay, hi there everyone. I managed to score myself a couple of door locks the other day. I'll just take it out of the packet. Get it out. Give me a minute. Oh, there we go. So the light doesn't reflect so much. Where are we? Yale. That's obviously a joke. Total security. It's actually got Chubb security products with an Australian address, but it's made in China. So I guess we're going to see how hard these are. There's the bitting on the key, 5-pin. Common old doorknob, they're very, very common here. We've got that in the right place. Yeah, I think that'll do. That obviously pulls the, well anyway, activates the doorknob. You push that in and that locks it. That's unlocked. So you can see how that goes in and out. Yeah, that's all pretty simple. These aren't. Well, all the ones I've done of these, there's only been a couple that have been, Lockwoods are really, I've found really difficult. Some of them are really difficult. But most of these, what I call unbranded, they're not that difficult to pick. Matter of choosing the weapon. Now, it is locked because you push the button in at the back there. And you can see that that's not going back in. So it is locked. I'm going to have a go with me homemade pry bar. Homemade pry bar. I've made them like longer so I can get it in there better. I have trouble with these pry bars. I'm not really happy with them. So we'll see how it goes with this thing. Using what I call a I don't know, long hook. What I call long hook anyway. Okay. There we go. Turn it right around. Or you just heard that. Hopefully you just heard that go click. That's mechanism releasing, so now it's unlocked. Okay, well, so much for total security on that one. Well, it just so happens that I actually got two. So let's see how this one goes. Give us a minute. these, sort of tighten them up. Yeah. Okay, unlocked. Again, again you push the button in, and it's locked. Bidding on the key on this one. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5 pin again. That button will pop out. See? Okay, so unlock, locked. Is that in the camera? Yeah. We won't use a pry bar this time, we'll use just a normal wrench. See how we go with just the, oh, you know, it might be the right size. We'll put it across the keyway this time. Across the keyway instead of on the bottom of the keyway. I could hold it in my hand, but you know, if you're going to do this, you really want to try and do it as if it was on the door. What I'll use this time, perhaps I'll have a go with this little. Now I'll have a go with me short. Just a short stumpy hook. Okay. This one's just a little bit more. Maybe I'll go back to the long hook. Yeah, I'll go back to the long hook. So you never really know what you got. Oh, there it is. There it is. Where's it? There it goes. Just clicked. Okay. Unlocked. Okay. Alright, well, if anybody's thinking about putting these things on their properties, well, I'd probably think again. Okay. Thanks for watching that. Hooroo.